Hello, Maneville boys, Ben here, and today we're going to be blowing up aerosol cans. Well, I've collected a few of these for the past half year, and we're going to have some fun with it. Let's go. Whoa!
What?
Nice.
Why did you?
We got some shaving cream.
No!
We got some shaving cream. Yeah, Mom! This is the Accept Shield. With pre-cut holes, thick plywood, you'll be sure to be safe when you're exploding aerosol cans. Oh yeah. You know, us professionals, sometimes these holes like in the can and it just like goes out. Part of the business, you know. Some black primer. Shoot. Oh man. Bro, another one. I just think it's not my lucky day, guys. 2 flats in a row. Gonna have to throw in another one. Got some good old WD-40. This is best stuff, man. Man, that's breathing some fire. Bro. We got a lighter. Little blast. All these are pretty much completely empty. Next can, red paint. These stupid cans. Fusion top plastic. Another flat. Quick mark. Be sure to reduce your carbon footprint. It's 2024, you know. Shouldn't be burning things, you know. We got some fake snow. Fun fact, white asbestos is cancer causing. Bro, the snow's coming out. Spray foam can. Pretty big one. We got some white paint. All right, to end it off, 2 more. Sorry for the lack of explosions, but in the job of a professional, there's always ups and downs. See you in the next one.